If you're running a dance workshop or a festival with multiple tracks, levels, and want to even balance ratios across those different groups, Cothena is a fantastic tool that helps you not only save a lot of time, but also gain more people to your event. For example, when it comes to schedules, if multiple groups are assigned to the same schedule, you link them. So when something changes for one, it changes for everyone. If you extend the time for one, it extends for everybody else. So you don't have to be worried that you haven't changed it in one run sheet here or for another role or person over there. And you build a schedule once and you right away get it in space view so you can see what's happening in every room, in roles view so you can see what the different roles have to go through, and again drag and drop and easy to change everywhere. You can then take these individual schedules and you can send them to either the participants or staff members. So this is, for example, a participant schedule where you can define different languages. You can even provide bundles with additional information, whether it's about the staff or location, with maps and information within those maps, and you adjust exactly who receives what information down to the individual. So you can set it for groups, individuals, the whole event, and so on. Each individual activity can have additional information. This can be images, videos, and other things as well. And they can get either personalized URL links that you can send per email, or get the mobile app and have push notifications added to it as well. When you send email notifications, people receive them with personalization like first name, amount, but even things like invoice information. So if there's anything left to pay because they haven't already done it, then they get this invoice and they can pay right away from that invoice even. So, and everything is connected to the backend. So it really streamlines the whole payment infrastructure as well. Now, the next thing I want to show is how the ratio control happens. So you can, for example, set up all your different tickets in the different combinations you want, whether it's like, for example, advanced couples or advanced couple early bird. A couple then has, for example, a leader ticket and a follower ticket. Then you have the follower tracks and so on. And you can set the different rules, but no matter how you create those different packages, and even if you create separate packages for the different affiliate partners, so you send it to another community or dance school or the university and want to give them special offers, the system is still tracking the core number of participants in each class, so to say. So you can track capacity and ratios at the class level no matter how you distribute it. And this is how you get more people to your event. And as you set those different ratio controls, so for example, right now I put it very sensitive. So if I just add one more leader, then that leader gets blocked. Then I have to, for example, add one more follower. Now that I can sell another leader ticket. If I add another follower, then these gets blocked. And this reflects also on the booking page. So when they come here, this is the intermediate leader ticket. This is the follower ticket. This one has gotten a waitlist check. And so like now this one, you sign up by putting your first name, last name, email, but it's not a full payment yet compared to the other one where you can right away go through with the, for example, Stripe checkout. We have also 6 different payment gateways that you can use like SumUp, Revolut, and others. But this simulator allows you to have full understanding of what's happening with your registration process, and you define exactly where the rules go. If you want to have more people first let in without any rules applied, or from this different sales channel, different rules or no rules, and so on, you have full control of how the ratio balancing rules should be triggered. The final thing I want to show you is day of event management. First of all, the system helps you discover conflicts. So in this case, for example, I have assigned myself to 2 different rules, one role here and another role here. So it's good for me then to understand that I need to assign those roles to other people and not use the same user for both of them. But I can also see here what's going on with the different activities. And for example, these are completed, this is in progress, this hasn't started yet. Here I notice that one of them is blocked. So if I open it up, I can see what activities blocked. I can even start a conversation right away. If there's no conversation happening, I can create a conversation here, and the system knows which users, which staff members and volunteers to put into the system right away. So you can start the conversation instantly and resolve that issue and then put it aside. So you get a really nice overview. There's a lot more to it. I invite you to come and see our website for more information, but also check our pricing. Here we are very community friendly, so to say. So if you need different pricing than what we offer, just let us know and we can figure something out, even discounts for nonprofits. And then you here see like how big of an event is it, how many events per year, or if it's a single event you want to use, if you want to have the app, if you're a nonprofit, and so on. So have a look at it. If it tickles your fancy, then schedule a meeting and we can either help figuring out if it fits or also set you up with an account and get you started.